Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how to restart your Windows 11 computer to a state like a newly installed Windows, without having to install Windows. First, you click on the Windows icon, select the Settings section. Here you select Windows Update. In this Update section, you find the Advanced Options section and click, then select the Recovery section. In this Recovery section, you select the Reset PC section of the Reset This PC section. A Reset This PC window will appear. In this window there are two options. Keep My Files will delete all apps and settings but will retain data and files, and Remove Everything will delete all apps and settings, data, and files in your computer. If you want your computer to be like a new one, select the Remove Everything section. If you want to keep the data, then select Keep My Files. Because I want to install it like a new one, I will select Remove Everything. Wait for the device to load. Next, here if you have a cloud storage account then select Cloud Download. Otherwise select Local Reinstall. Additional Settings window appears. When resetting, the computer will delete the apps and data installed on the device. Restore Windows. To change, you select Change Settings. There are options you can choose to delete or not, or leave default. Then select Confirm. Then select Next to continue. The device checks to be ready to reinstall. You wait a few minutes for the device to check. After the device has finished checking, the screen will display removing the app settings, accounts, and programs installed on the device. If you are sure you want to reset, select Reset. The device will prepare to reset. You wait for the device to set up and reinstall. During this process, you must keep the power on the computer because if you turn it off, it will cause an error. The time depends on the configuration of the computer and the settings on your computer, so I will fast forward. Fast is about more than 30 minutes and slow is more than 1 hour. When resetting the region, you leave it as default or you can choose Vietnam and then choose Yes. Wait for the computer to set up. When the Windows terms appear, you choose Accept to continue. Then name the computer you want. In this section, choose Setup for person use. Then choose Next. Because Win 11 has security, you need to log in to a new Microsoft account. You choose Sign in to log in. At this time, you enter your Microsoft account, then enter the password or code to log in. The machine will check and log in. When you enter it, it will ask you to set up a security PIN code, then you choose Create a PIN to create. You enter a code of 8 characters or more including letters and symbols, then re-enter it in the box below, then select OK. The machine will display your Microsoft login account. You choose Continue to continue. Next, there are options you can choose. Skip to skip or Accept to continue. When the QR code to connect to the phone appears, you can choose to scan the QR code on the phone to connect or choose Skip to skip. Then choose Accept to continue. Wait for the machine to set up. After the setup and reinstallation is complete, your computer will return to the settings as when you first installed Windows. The apps have been removed. The data on other drives other than Drive C is not affected. When the machine is installed, you should go to the Update section to update the driver as well as the necessary updates of Windows. So I have instructed you how to reset your computer to its original state without having to reinstall Windows. If you find it interesting, please like, share and subscribe to the channel to watch more videos. Goodbye and see you again.